The quokka, Cetanix brachyurus, belongs to the Macropodidae family, the same group as kangaroos and wallabies. It is one of the smallest members of this evolutionary lineage. Paleontological studies show that macropods evolved around 15 million years ago, during the Miocene, from arboreal ancestors similar to possums. The quokka represents a branch of evolution that maintained a small size and more terrestrial habits compared to its larger relatives. In the past, quokkas lived across large areas of southwestern Australia. Today, their population is reduced and concentrated mainly on Rottnest Island near Perth, Bald Island, small fragmented areas on the mainland. Rottnest Island is the symbolic home of the species. Here, quokkas have no natural predators, and populations remain stable. 1. Biology and physical characteristics. General appearance, length, 40-54 cm tail, 25-30 cm weight, 2.5-4.5 kilos. Coat, soft grey-brown fur, large dark eyes that give them their famous smiling look. This natural smile comes from facial structure and muscle shape, not from an emotional gesture. Low water needs, they survive with minimal water, extracting moisture from plants. Survival in dry environments, they lower their metabolic rate during harsh periods. Agile hopping, like all macropods, they use strong hind legs for quick movement through vegetation. Reproduction, gestation, about 27 days, usually one joey per pregnancy. The joey stays in the pouch for 6 months, remains with the mother up to 12 months. Quokkas can reproduce twice a year when food is abundant. They are herbivores. They feed on leaves, shoots, grasses, bark, succulent plants. On Rottnest Island, they have developed an opportunistic diet adapted to the island's limited vegetation. Ecological role: disperse seeds, maintain low vegetation, create natural pathways through dense shrubland. They are an important indicator of the health of coastal ecosystems. They are crepuscular and nocturnal, most active at dusk and during the night. During the day, they rest in the shade to avoid extreme heat. Quokkas do not form strict groups like kangaroos, but they live in loose social colonies, with overlapping territories and shared resources. Not strongly territorial, but individuals maintain small preferred areas. Their international fame comes from selfies with tourists. However, quokkas are not domesticated. They approach humans on Rottnest Island simply because they have no predators and feel safe. Feeding them human food is illegal and dangerous. It can cause infections, malnutrition, and death. They often rub and clean their face with their small paws, an adorable but functional grooming behavior. They can stand upright like little sentinels. Young quokkas play frequently, helping develop agility and coordination. Quokkas live in coastal shrubland, dry grasslands, eucalyptus forests, low vegetation zones with dense cover. They prefer habitats that provide shade and protection, essential in the Australian climate. On Rottnest Island, they also use semi-urban areas, showing remarkable adaptability. The quokka is classified as vulnerable. Main threats: habitat loss, bushfires, introduced predators, foxes, dogs, cats. Climate change, diseases linked to human interaction. Conservation efforts, predator-free island reserves, reintroduction programs, tourist education campaigns, genetic monitoring of populations. Thanks to these efforts, the quokka is one of the few macropods whose numbers are stabilizing. 1. A symbol of Australian biodiversity. The quokka embodies the fragility of island ecosystems, the importance of endemic species, the delicate balance between wildlife and humans, the beauty of Earth's unique evolutionary paths. It is not only one of the most photogenic animals on the planet, but also a living reminder of the need to protect vulnerable species.